This is our category analysis project by Daniel, Kyle, James, and Lane. So we currently use over 108 different vendors with 170 separate purchases made, with a total of over just a little bit over $411,000 spent on vehicle maintenance. And 5 vendors were more than 5% of purchase dollars that were spent. And these vendors make up 46% of the total money spent. And these vendors also make up 22% of the purchase volume.
In our first graph here, we break down the total number of dollars spent by company. And on it, you can see a large number of vendors have a very small dollar amount spent, but also several large vendors. Those large vendors being Ace Hardware, Diggers Repair and Maintenance Services, General Truck Parts and Equipment Company, National Electric Carbon Products, Inc., and West Electric and Machine Company. We then further break it down by the percentage of dollars spent by company. And again, you can see a large number of very small dollar amounts per company, with several larger companies that have a higher amount of spend. Next, we have the number of instances of purchase by company, and you can see that Ace Hardware has far and above the largest number of instances of purchases, with 34 instances, and most everyone else has only a single purchase.
We also break this down into percentage of purchases by companies, and according to this, the vast majority of the purchases were from Advanced Auto Parts, and of course, a lot of smaller purchases from other companies.
And here we have the 5 biggest suppliers by purchase dollars. And not only are they the biggest, but these are the 5 that we decided to try and narrow it down with. As Lane stated on the last slide, Advanced Auto Part accounts for the largest percentage by company. And not only that, we felt it was necessary to try and have a larger name associated with one of our suppliers, since the other 4 that we do have here, while they do spend a similar or even more amount of money like Diggers and Repair, they are smaller companies. So given the supply chain issues that the world is facing right now, it could be difficult for these smaller ones to have products or supplies on demand when we would need them, where Advanced Auto Parts could possibly fill that role a little bit better. And then for our future opportunities, we felt that we could have limited ourselves to less suppliers, but in a field that deals with automobiles and transportation vehicles, we all thought it was too risky to try and limit ourselves to, say, 3 suppliers, since 4 out of 5 are rather niche in the things that they would supply to us. We felt that we could negotiate a contract with the suppliers to get favorable deals in the future for an increased purchase volume. And we may be able to work with the suppliers to try and share information about parts that we may need in the future. And then the current chip shortage, as I mentioned earlier, and supply chain issues will lead to more car sales for future business, since older cars have more repair and they don't require the new specialized chips that are hard to come by right now.
Risks and challenges. Vehicle maintenance requires a wide range of different parts that not all suppliers may carry. Smaller suppliers don't have the large-scale supply chain possibilities as larger ones, as relying on smaller suppliers to bring on delays in parts when on demand and during the more demand time of the year. Advanced Auto being such a large company means they're going to have other clients, most likely larger than us. This could lead to customer service, which could lead to customer service issues down the line. Some actions and our future concerns. In the future, we would like to add 2 other possible companies to overall supply chain. A future concern could be new or bigger companies rising in a market that could overtake us and merge with our current suppliers, which could lead to increase in our pricing, causing stores to increase their price, which could drive away some customers.
And that was our presentation. Thank you for watching.